This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 4th of October. I'm Michael Groff. October is our fourth driest month of the year, and it's going to hold true to form with temperatures at or above normal levels for the rest of the week and into the weekend, and no chances of rain for the next 7 to 10 days, and maybe even beyond that. So let's talk about it as we look outside this morning here at 5:20 a.m. We've got clear skies in the valley right now, 73 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 37, humidity 27%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around the area this morning, 65 at Litchfield Park, 64 Maricopa, 67 in Buckeye, low 70s, mid 70s in the urban core. Water vapor satellite view shows a trough to our northwest. We've got a ridge expanding from the Gulf Coast westward toward the southwest states, and mainly a southwesterly flow across Arizona this morning. On the watch warning map, not a whole lot going on. Some frost and freeze advisories across parts of the Dakotas and Nebraska. Severe weather outlook, a marginal risk in sections of New Mexico today. And rainfall for our area over the next 7 days, 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch for the White Mountains and extreme eastern Arizona, but for us, absolutely nothing. And that's probably going to hold for the foreseeable future. So let's get into the details of our weather now as we check the models and see what's going on. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. Big old 594 ridge across the southern plains, expanding to the west with troughing to our northwest. As a result, southwesterly flow aloft today. A little bit of moisture sneaking into far eastern Arizona for isolated showers and thunderstorms there. But here in Phoenix, just a sunny sky and temperatures in the mid-90s this afternoon, mid and upper 90s. Tonight, clear skies, lows mainly in the 60s. Tomorrow, another sunny day, highs mid and upper 90s with that ridge continuing to expand to the west, and maybe a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm again in far eastern Arizona. By Friday, the ridge continues to expand across northern Mexico. The troughing to our north begins to lift off to the northeast, so the flow aloft turns westerly. That should dry out the air and remove any chances of showers and storms across the state. Sunny skies, highs upper 90s to near 100 degrees. Saturday, same thing, upper 90s to about 100, sunny skies. On Sunday, the ridge continues to build further to the west over the eastern Pacific. Troughing begins to settle in across the Pacific Northwest and the Intermountain West. Flow aloft becomes west-northwesterly. And the dry air continues, but temperatures might start to back off a couple of degrees. We'll say mid-90s, upper 90s. I don't think we have any chances of the century mark here on Sunday. Low to mid-90s on Monday with mostly sunny skies. Upper 80s to low 90s on Tuesday. And here we go to a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 11th of October, ridging building across the southern tier of the United States. Mostly sunny skies and highs again, low 90s. Same thing as we go to Thursday, the 12th, and then this is the end of the 10-day forecast period. Friday, the 13th, nice looking upper low off the Pacific Northwest coast. Dry southwesterly flow here. Temperatures right around where you'd expect for this time of year. Low 90s or so, and lows during this time in the 60s with a very dry air mass. Temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble will keep it above normal for the next several days, and then pretty consistent as we head through mid-October with highs right about 90 or so. And that does it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. Thanks as always so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe to us so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Have yourselves a great Wednesday, everybody.